Good morning, everyone. How are you? Jason here, once again coming at you with another simple recipe. Today we're going to figure out if we can make spaghetti for one. But first, we're going to need to grab some ingredients. So before we go anywhere, I've got to get some fuel, and I'm not talking about gas. This is what I'm talking about right here. Run in here into Walmart and grab the items that I need. Remember, this is not grandma's spaghetti. It's not even your mom's spaghetti. It may not even be spaghetti when we're done. They have this generic ramen, and I'm kind of bummed. I was looking for the Nissan. I think I might still have some at home, so all hope is not lost. So I've always struggled with the way that these grocery stores are designed sometimes. To me, some things that should be together aren't. And then other combinations are together that don't make sense. Like right now I'm looking for Parmesan. You think because you sprinkle it on food, it would be with the spices. But no, it's not. I got tired of looking, so I asked an associate for assistance. Thankfully, they were kind enough to show me where it was at. So I think I've got all my ingredients. Let's check out and head home. All right, just finished. Alright, here's hoping that we got everything that we need. I got butter. We've got some ramen. I still am hoping that I have the other brand that I like in the closet. I'm gonna go check that right now. Our Parmesan cheese, some garlic salt, some spaghetti sauce. I really like the instructions on this one. Heat, serve. That is all that's related to our spaghetti for one. I gotta tell you, I'm a little nervous. So let's get it started. Look, I've got some. Probably doesn't matter because we're not even using the seasoning on this package. We're just gonna use the noodles. But there's something about familiarity. All right, let's get this started. Okay, we need one pan. We're gonna need 2 cups of water. We're just gonna bring that to a boil so we can put our noodles in. This you can toss. And we're gonna set our timer for 3 minutes. Okay, so while that's boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and stick my bread in the toaster since we ain't got the time to heat up the oven. So you may or may not be wondering why I got the spray butter and the garlic salt. That's so I can have garlic bread or garlic toast. So the noodles are done. We're gonna turn that off. Still waiting on our spaghetti sauce. Alright, so we're gonna take our noodles and drain them because, you know, we're not doing top ramen, we're doing spaghetti. Okay, so quite honestly, I'm a little nervous at this point because this could be either a success or a massive fail. Let's take our noodles. Now we're gonna add our spaghetti sauce, which is pretty hot. Stir that all up. Now for the moment of truth. Truth is, I forgot my fork. Okay, moment of truth. Not bad. Not grandma's, not mama's spaghetti, but not bad. The Parmesan that I walked all over Walmart for. Alright, we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Before I go, I just want to share something with you. This was like $6. We only used a half of a cup. These are like 20 something cents when you buy them in a pack. You get 5 meals out of this if you do this ratio. I don't think you can, well, I'm sure you can eat cheaper than that. But if you're looking for something to spread out over the week or over a couple of weeks, can't beat this. Like I said, the instructions on this are heat and serve and refrigerate after opening. So as long as you take care of this, it's gonna last you